Sesisin pat kublai ye phi baro bat phidang ye pe ya ke khubor jong Mawphor. Habingnya ya che prang bat ke khubor hakni kopor tungin ye pe ye kimat ke bokongsan jong ke khubor kumni. Da ke public toilet kwa ke SAD Shaba Secretariat ye ki banyak kali sorkar bat nong wan don kam. Layo kem ya baro ki bedon kiti pen bethai bom hakn dailat dang beteng ke jing twet ya ki bedon kiti. Ki samla kimde ban shae lambakla. Ki bedon kiti ha ki campaign trim kinyo ya ka jingpin saja ong chief minister. Sho klem daw uwe upulit dawa bailut kesan. Pensanam usamla Gabriel T Maulong ya ulet ba arwaro opde da ka jingroi duriau kinrengat. Pendam no shisendon ya ka report ka bayday bat ka kulsip hydel project ong uba KP Pangnyang. Kitai babriu ka jylla ha ki lai phukundai snem ka jingya ilenti.
Kuat selipik next week kuat banleki inspection sabar di kerja beding harut sekidon MP Jakai ke bagi ibiang ban percina publik toilet na kam tajo ki breu ke bawan na baru apos ki bawan kam sekretariat bar kuntiu na kam ta ki drivers ki bayas song hang man kasini baru sini di apa ni kita kare ke bang asngodon kam baru kita pernah do ke safety ki minister ke sedi alabu jikan mau ji perkhat bah Iban kam create kita facilities na kita kibru kebadan kam dan wan sini kita ki up atau apa kini berdom ke jakah hak ba kin let pen refresh le kalau ban le shabah kita kam pala ke jakah bandon kita tinggal page next week na la training di officer dan next week in let page shabar ni pasang plan lang dan yo dan ke jakah ko biang ke bandom wet bangin don ke toilet facilities lagi beriu apa bagi don kembang ya tibba kidon ki department ki balayo no laki jong ka campus ki kum ka education ki bagi la ship no ka permanent campus permanent building la jong ti la yo antai kum ba khat artli e kamera te ni pek kan ri ho aja ki por snow kata don ka shortage of rooms ha ka ba ka don ka jingjia don kam kamera te ni pek la dang don kam ni kata la of course riyam
and discuss about the law and order situation in the state, and we can also would like to inform all of you also that all the people who have been involved in the recent IED blast that took place, all the people have been arrested, and investigation is on, and we will be moving forward into the network even further and going into all the people who were in touch with them also to make sure that we dig into this deep and get hold of all the people who could possibly have been a part of this or have assisted. But the people who were directly involved in the incident itself, all of them have been arrested, including the people from whom the dynamite, those sticks were procured, including the people who placed it and including the people who had made it. So all the people concerned have been arrested. We wanted to brief the cabinet on that. There was one small amendment to be made in the Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion Facilitation Act 2020. It was a very minor one, where for minor offences, instead of going for imprisonment, only monetary fines would be made. So the small amendment was made in that, and in the annexure to the act, all the products that are allowed to be marketed within the state, the list of those products were added to this. That small amendment was made to that.
Sir, how many total number of arrested?
If I am not wrong, there are 4, but you'll have to just reconfirm with the thing, because that includes in the past how many more were there, and will have to be reconfirmed. But the main 4 people who were there involved have been arrested.
Are these all HNLC cadres or who are they?
So these are supporters and sympathizers of that, and of course the actual linkage and how much they've been involved in communication and organization still is a matter of investigation. So we're looking into those aspects also.
Can you share the names, sir?
I don't have the names. That's happening, and that's the reason why we caught them, because CCTV footage on all 3 of them.
The IED bomb, one was planted in PB and other one, where did
they found it in the house of the main accused, who we, as I said, was already in the network. We knew, we had all the information and intel about these people. And as soon as this happened, we activated the network, went to his house, and we have made it clear yesterday also that we will be very firm on this, and we will take very firm and strict action on this, and all the people who have been involved will be caught, and that has been done, and we will continue to do this. Those who intend to create fear and terror will not be spared. So we will do everything that is required to be done. Yes, in fact, when this particular incident had happened, the police had acted very swiftly, and within a matter of hours they were able to identify the individuals who were involved, and the concerned individuals, in fact, inquiry and proper investigation is going on, and I can assure everyone that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that we get to all the people who are involved in this, and will ensure that people who have been involved in trying to create fear are punished. So therefore proper action will be taken. And regarding the larger question of our youth being involved, yes, there's been instances where our young boys and girls sometimes do go into this line, and we from the government side have always believed that in order to ensure that this does not take place, it's important for us to engage the youth in a proper manner. We need to give the opportunities to the youth so that they don't go in the wrong direction. And that is the reason why this government has been focusing largely on entrepreneurship, creating of jobs through entrepreneurship. We have focused on the youth policy, and we realize that a large youth and large workforce is there in Meghalaya, and we need to continuously ensure that programs come in. So therefore, yes, it's an issue that I have always mentioned this. In fact, on my speech in 26th January also, as well as on 21st of January, I mentioned that ensuring that proper opportunities are given to the youth is going to be one of the challenges in the coming decades for us, and therefore we are aware about it, and we'll do our best to ensure we address those issues.
Kakasi Students Unions KSU jong Karanico Circle kalapenrem jor ya jingle jong uwe upulit major bape ya battalion harajaju haka baulak takti klem kano kedaw ya uwe ubriu kan ba udang don haka lenti hayo so langren Southwest Kasils District. Haka nigesngi nakaliang ke KSU Raniko Circle hapo ke jingelam jong u president ba Marco Nithongni kilalej bantuat jengtip ba markhamat na ubri ubasha akti uba gerteng uba bribes walang uba deiru kum usoda jong gashnong arpusan mile Ranikor CNRD block kenang bikin shim yaki senjam ke baki dei bandawa na uta ubalak takti halor keni ke jingjia nakaliang jong uba bribes walang haka shitrik urempang araja arpuar uladep banbu dak jahar hapo kanong halam police station persya ya upulit ubalak takti ya tungin sngap ya kai ka bawba brabis walang bat ka KSU jong karani ko sal ke kidon ban ong halor kani ke jingjia
menilai poiteri ngawan nang diri ngawan siptir dukan ngandal apoy hari ju ngai kendu wi sudar sundang kedasan badai marudar yo rajuju tinga shon isya dukan jadi na lab isya nang tu yami ya prana penelik hain susnong tinga laki hokali nganya kali ti kendu badu tu major terakhir kumbah ke por sibji stang ni arbajin tahi no peski ti mare kendu buat nga peniang yang ngasuk uang baik suong baik ba nanti boleh bang ngade major ngau besar ngam ti boleh kublai tang ta abis kurang nak ni klik tu ngaklem ngam ti boleh surang nak ki yang ta ni la arak suding bom suanang ni bom nang ni tu kurang nang ni ru ti jadi nang maria pernah ki kena samla sunang na sini ya wan lang ya pun hi lek ya keren ni tokit ya kata balik saya syuk pun maria bro ki nagalian so ul pun jadi menin ngalik bu udah ke FPR police station malam ti ulawan hang ni pan map wong tang naga dau bangal bu ai terus ngi bakala ngam poi berkat ba fide orang pak suno hali ngal kum bakala so so paham bab no enga ki pak sumbar no kat ba lut kapai dawai kapai sep tu ngan klik himanga nang ta ka tu ko mobile ba joruk sa pentit teman udah kawai dia ong tol dalam long ta jilong priu biang sei na bediang ya kata tangba ya kayak FR ngabuk no suang tu kin sumar suwa yang adu nasyak di ngin siap pe jangta ngalak pun sawang nok lah dah pi le hok ya kabal ada kular tang kata ya bangila ya keren
siuran korskel ni mentang iwan ni ha snow sanmail batun peji sadar kalau kajing shot menen naliang jingi kaseng ni penram kalau kani kajing le jong wei major pada nong tai por juju ba bala susuk klemdau adu penaman sau bat lompat ikitiar ki mobile ai badan u bat nak liang jingi kaseng hi long nimla pendiang ya kum kini badan ka ai ba sim ala ni ka ai ya ba nak liang jingi kaseng kum ka bangi layo jing tip ba ila menta bangi wan pet ni lai dal jong khmat ba ila man sau ha na liang na kani ka krung bat ki ji dak mong ni kini met pat ni lai nak liang jingi kaseng hi penram ya kani ka jing lai jong ni pulet kamut bau pulit ba baula yo pong ya uniform pulit bat ulayo bat katiar bat suloi kamut ba ulayo senchai ka partai bat ba un le kat ba umon un siat kat ba umon lane un syok kat ba umon tang badai pulit de kenang liang jungi kasang hi kwa ba yuni pulit hi undai hi bandon po ka district jungi udai ban mi no nang ne po district jungi udah kwa le khla ai mut la dei ban pha no yu chano ha chaka ba kwa ba dia pani bor tin liang jungi ngimla ban pedang ya komuni pulit ka ba susu kat yu no elam snong usu nak liang jungi kaseng long ngimla ban pedang ya kum kini ba nak liang kum pulit ide ban penstom hadin ba nak liang kaseng minru mar sentip ki dekat jong kaseng kila lek senran nang tepo police station bat la abu ya ka FR bat hate po police station ro ngilai bo kran ba he ba nak liang jong tu pulit na lor bo la dep sho yu ni rong ba snong plus ka kran he te na liang jong kaseng hi ngim kwa shu ba ni briun nang don hang ne po ka area jong hi nak liang kaseng ni kwa ba yu ni deban penmi no nak ne ka area jong hi dawaru ya ni yu pulit ba udai ban siwa ka bailut paisap ban pak sumar i bat kantam ya ka mobile ro baula lempat baula kerdam ya ka mobile jungu udai ban pentit no mardor da kawai ka mobile padai ban pak sumar i na klem jungi ka seng ni kwa ba ndai ba tang baula dep sho antu ba sakran he adin nom pechu na klem jungi kwa ba SP ru udai ban penstom ya komuni uplet bale ruklau
kan kadung ula berben ka lentar tahat ngayai wa syai pi dan hapi ang hapi kadem kaman
Uba Esther sing jana nong bet hakasngi baar ula play page ba eka music video belajar kerteng duriau kinrengat balarwai da usamlag Gabriel Timaulong haka jia lang balapan long ha Hill Star Hotel haka negasngi pelajing ruai lapennya ya ka jia lang da uba kitbok thaba ubade presiden ka All Mekhlea Dansa Association layo kijing kran na uba Esther sing jana nong bet ubalalong kum ukongsan na uba simli ubade usembut kongsan na ikun jong uba ar waro upede bam kuai hador ublay bat nakakong Sweetie Lauriniang kabadega Vice President ka HYC Women's Wing Northwest Khasi Hills. Habakran hakane ka jingalang pelajing ruai. Uba Esther Singh ulay ka jingero yusamla Gabriel. Ubala pensa anam uba arwaro pede. Da kabarwai kane ka jingruai jong u. Ulakan turu baun penan kam hog e kasab ba ublay ulay hau. Hakane ka sngi kum ka jingay mensim bat pencelur syusyu uba Esther Singh. Ulano senyang da kasong pisa ba 10,000 tingka. Sya usamla Gabriel Timaulong. Ka jingruai duriau kin rengat. Kadai ke jingruai jong uba ar waro pede. Ya ka bau samla Gabriel. Ular ruai biang ban pensa nam mi uteu kaitor ba pau nam jong jylla. Bat ba ulala ban penur long ekane. Da ka jingas nguthu jimulang bat ki bahaya ngasem jong uba ar waro pede.
Tinagaliang junga hagen kapur. Apan pau. Bana kersan. Ya ke kabagajan penriu kalasay. Yakinom wa. Masukumen nadu kata banyo sngeu banyo I ba Gabriel. Ba kamtam no samla. Ngampat tip ya kasap kapong kabodon. Nangkong ngale kendu I. Ilalek banku yang asyakwi jaka siapo bandar kogati siapo jaka yung diri klau habang itang naikpek di jaka kibadon hapo kalang dispe. Ti skrispi mayo I kasap kapong. Bat kagajing smoke men. Ngal ayun semi I. Ngakersyani I. Kaptam hagaba inang pedroy syusyu. Yaka talen kasap jungi. Bat makot mayaweru ya kajat penriu berkawe. Tidak punya snok tilang. Nama mentah kikun sama. Kibaron kasap bantem. Kibaron kasap banwai. Kibaron kasap bansyat. Kibaron kasap bansiaw. Kibaron kasap kumumanik raitong. Habatam nakajing put basli. Hadu bakalok usiim ro kalayak bi. Lantoru hagaktin lani kayong kata ka Bible. Lakapor manswa. Wan kata ka kenro jerikoro. Habatam surwai pailang. Kalakhlem. Dengangen hamne. Bagajat penriu kejongi. Kaboblei ursa se nangne sakma. Dan kejingelam iba Gabriel. Kejingelam iba ke kimsa se. Jadi nomor wai kaki aja. Ngiri hagi bubun. Hagi jimbang khana. Lane hagi tamasa. Lane hagi jingyatho. Hagi bubun kibiriu kelar wai no. Hagi jingwai hindi. Nama ba. Kinong mi khmat jungi. Nyimla kanden. Hande kim semlak mi. Ya ke korsor. Lane kasap kapong. Jong kejat penderi. Dena ini. Kebanta. Kabak bubun. Na ke jingwai tendrai jungi. Nyila no. Inga akan tu hari kapur khamtam badai bang selu di sap kapom khamtam gitu ki badon siapo riwa kila ban thau ki jingruai dan ki jingruai jum kinong riwa khamtam ki badon siapoi kile ban thau dan ki jingruai tanrai ki badon siapoi kumju amne khasi rilum jongi ngai ban thau ya ki jingruai khasi. Hari ko belum mentah, ngisim baiklah yang diruai, nak tim seorang. Tikine ibadah siapa jantia, kini banwai, dan tim jantia, kini bantau. Ngakentu itu ibadah kasar kakom, wat baru kaba beli lagu nyen nam pelek no namar larangi pelek no nyen saai jingkain hak majung beli, ayu nilale. Nak kata kau boleh belai kata.
Kei kerja tekok long ni bang kei kebabun long ni na bang roy yang kejuai jumpa orang pedi. Kalau namar bang orang pedi ilalong utau guru ilalong utau mengikai roy yang nanti di Islam akan kasar kasar. Roy orang pedi ada polaban dengan kemah di jumpai dengan kuno bangan roy kuno bangan shum high pitch kuno kita yang bangan khabuna bahu high pitch doang berpong sebuah blues dia. Pakati kejing tay kejing power opening kejing I suggestion kejing I persam. Pada kamu yang bayi orang ngalek. Kalau sisa apa mentah kaya orang sisa. Apa ngarwai mentah ngalala apa ngarwai high pitch. Di hawat di power opening ina akan imdan cukup hakan kesalahan tay. Ring next gambar bayi don lang hakan mentah hakan dia kejakan. Walang ibu. Kejing kuat juga mengenai kejuruan juga orang putih kalau ban penek pensa yang kekertai pada kejuruan yang juga orang putih. Pengaruan dari kejuruan dari kejuruan juga pak lupa di YouTube apa di comments di request nggak mengenai kejuruan juga orang putih dan ada pelan last time ada pelan kejuruan juga orang putih kebangan arwah kekertai sok sebukun Kadang nado kutu kejengwai bagi paiba ke langsung tenan nado kutu jadu yushal bangal arwai apa bairang apa Bupli district ti nado kutu jurai jadu yushal ni sedang ban pau pindian ti ketika kerpa cukup paiba bagi kerpa ni ban arwai ke jurai jumi ti dalam takada ban sarwai ke jurai jumi bangun Bupli na aku play punya iba estansing jalan lompet nama iba estansing jalan lompet idai yushal atau berangpa Pelanu aslinya kisah, pelanu aslinya cibo nak kena kesalahan. Pada bagian tiuru yang ini kita langsung lalu ke sports, lalu ke rawai ke siau, ke syak, ke put, ke tem. Bagi lagi itu nak khubor ini yang dilakukan pakai khubor. Ijuara apa yang di longgi ke dong di bayi di ngangai sekarang boleh berkuya di rumah, tapi dan mereka ben ke besar ke baklan. Pada kiki ke bagi pipi pitu ke cingim, tapi sa yang ini cepat. Akhirnya bawa beli utip, ya kayak bawa pilih, yui ke bersih berjopi. Bang next kan bawa pilih kau yang datang yang ini gitu tu, di bawa pilih tu, ya ini sedang dibacawan.
I play ya pilih baru play dalam kami, kami chief guest, pada guest itu ada. Malu kayak ini, tumna kalian jadi pajawa. Dia kat no smoke men ba iba Gabriel ila juai ketika juai kebalong pene pensa ketika juai joni dia kat no smoke men dia ngaru dan kentini isu benang tu play untuk ku berdoa iba Gabriel ba ipa jonaru engker ku play shubun
lampat ya kan bynta jong sama Gabriel dia nagalian jonga kasobat ong blishbun ba Gabriel ya kilengkia jongki ba ikermen ro ba uble un nyalam nanti ya ki program hotel ba shiru komro kalong ga ke basmo tenat bangiyo I ba kum usamla jonga jylla ba ka ri jongi udon ya ta gaminsim ban penne pensa ikijingwai barem baja Jong kilong, jong kirangpa kibalik no nangani nasla jong ipertay. Patch nasoban ongro, blashbon, ya kibagan kumbiak ni ya kadigas jingwai jong iba Gabriel, kabalong shisha kata kajingwai, kabakatik ya kansi ang bakadonod ka jong I. Mangal ru ngalong kaway kabriw, kalong kini kilese bangan siyem kani kapon, mga I bansa jingwai jong Kiriurang ba ibadan sab shisha bakit jingmat haba kirwai ingteng haba nga sosi nga fuslai nga shimye jingwai jong kilong shwa manshwa ibalik no hashwa jongi kilong shisha kita kijingwai kibara ye kijing fuslai jongi bat bakitla ro bantentingan desi ya kidormot kijongi iwai bai
ngampelai yang ini kijingwai jong iba Gabriel agni kan sni bahkan ini jingwai kan saya keneng kali kasih kabala benteng na jingwai jong iba ar waro gede kabala lekno negeri kepercay ila ino jingwai ha ke pateng ke bansawan kalau yang longsem bak bejai kublai si hajaru
Kajingtemu jong ke Brahmaputra boat bandanya ke Wakri kala sedang nadu usnam kat kendai spa kendai pusau katkum kajingto abala pa asyau executive engineer ke PWD road Meghalaya ong uba KP Pangyang haba pensha shigi ba haga jingelang ke bala long hakershai West Khas Hill district haba pensyai halo jong ke tei kamat uba Pangyang ulaong baha ke bandengkong kilapan jingbit tang banle ye ke survey na ke benta ke multi-purpose project nre house nam ara jahiwe ke tei ke multi-purpose kala kelapan banca ke hydel project kajing temu jong ke tei ke hydel project ke long ban penmi ye ke boarding electric bat nangta ban penlong ye ke tei ke than kum ke jaka jengok kai perthei ha ke jing shisha ke tei ke than kam don kam shu bandang shna da kikti ubriu namar ke dei lupa ke jaka kabala pin itnat dau blei kum tanai ke liang jong uba Pangyang harengkat bat ki ba kinom aila da lele banden ya ka Wakri na ke benta ki tei ki jing temu ki bala tikna bakin kita ya ka bha ke miat jong ki ba kathan hi baro ko we
ngiro ki ba ngiron la ka jong ko wila ban lek daga no kalenti bat wila wat ban lek sikipor jong ka judiciary namar ba ka hok jong ni ki ba kibo blay lai khmat jong hangi kisnong ithau kibo ulabula sa dingi hangi kabumut ba nagaliang jong gipay ba dalalay ginom day ya kaban septi lani kapa ngintandi mo kabin khaidang katandai jem sangma lo sekadar ba hagani kasnem arjar khanda iron ke meeting hangi ba ka karsai area ke uke area ngimdan kam ba ngin pediang ya kani ka kursi hydro project namar arbusan kisnong kinama po duriau kisnong barim jongi ke boble la bula thau ginduno kini ki pe jongi kinlong na po kini ki penthor jongi kinlong na po ki bri jongi kin kalari puji kumbuang mene unong pen sakamat bana kada daum tagasi ngana ya pri ya khubor ba nagaliang skor mekhilang angit kanam dai bariya sakamat menne shobangan poisane ngadang kerni DC jongka West Kasil district ba PD sama lo giwana yu gitu gin remote officer manin engineer jongka water resources nangta EAC jongi lawan te ya kendo ne am yafi ki paiba ya kendo te ki ong bagi dan kam ya suru paiba dem dai te nagda ka daw nang long UDC ban ong ba nai pun bun kam shu ba pun wan se kersai snano report naga West Kasil district submit sa sarkar Meghalaya mandong de pun kut no sindon ya gani ka kam balai pi wan siwan balai pi thau si thau balai si pendik ki paiba kadon yai halandet artu prasnem gani ka project ladon dipengrang bon khame today we will give a loud and clear message to the government of Meghalaya, to the government of Assam, and even to the government of India to kindly stop this project once for all. That is the voice comes from the heart and the bottom of the people of this Karsai area, people of this Ukem area, people of these 25 villages in and around this project area. So today we will give this clear message to the government of Assam, government of Meghalaya and India. I hope that people's voice will be respected by both the government of Meghalaya and Assam, at the same time the government of India. Now don tangane ko bilong don kami lipengrang ya sumayo ang bangi agan jawaha wasing miski barang aganaha aro baita besi ongjok ko check besi ongjok chem. We see remote project after project after project. But we never seen public accept hajawa, munjur onjawa, unigamen ya sumayo ripengrang hai absan resolution mo. Maiba ya unity nang chomota, cooperation nang chomota, absan voice nang chomota, ba ya kani project minam sha dalele panpantrai.
Fashion Shillong Society hapo ka jingilam jong iba Aldous Maulong IAS kumu Sherman kalong kawai ni kiseng Tremon Sobha ban kintiu ya kasam ka talent jong ki khon samla kintei bat chenrang jong ka jylla wat la ka ban ya lengba ya ki babon ki jing bat ki ding pengkyang nakadaw jong ka ni ka klam Henry kum ka seng ka batrang man se ya kasam bat ki talent jong ki khon samla chenrang bat kintei jong ka jylla kam shamla randin wat hapring jong ka ni ka klam covid khat khandai but wat la da hapring jong ka jing perking ya ki kendon ban ya khun ya ka ni ka klam Henry kayai pasang be ban wat ya ki lat kelenti ban penlong be ya ki miss Shillong lengba ka online but ya ki wat ki bakhat do ha ki rensan pai baru ka FSS kalaya lenti menta la laipu kandai snem ban sei perthei ya ki sap bat ki talent jong ki khon samla kintei bat chinrang ki balakeu ru shadu ki rensan ki ba ha ka ni ka than chatei lammingi kari India kum ka miss but Mr North East but kum jo ru shaki miss but Mr India hausnem araja arhuai what happening ka klam ka FSS kala penya chakman ya ka miss Shillong lengba ka online but ha ka bakhadu ha ka rinsan da ka babut perking pan ya ki kendon jong ka ni ka klam ha ka ni ka jing penlong ya ka ni ka jing yakop ki thei samla ba bhabriu kila don sauphungut ki balon ban shim benta lengba ka online but na ki tei legit shua shiphongut ban ya kun online ban yo rung shaka final hadin ka jing bishar bnia legit pa satang sangut ban ya kun ye ka final harun san yakani ka final lapanlong Hasin Anthony School Auditorium Shillong hakalai potri kunai wing araja arwe nakine ki bajok kilong laingut but kini kilong job Miss Shillong araja arwe kilong I son fanry fela lengkoi ibawan baar ilong I jirhina das bat balai I Ameda Giovanna Kindia nakaliang jong Mawphor YouTube ule yo bania kren markmat bat kini baro laingut kinong job bat kani kalong kejinge kren bat ki
Richibone Miss Long, first runner-up and second runner-up. Jong Miss Long 2021. Yang survive he, Chakanika, Jinkalo, Jong Takamian. But I to play people blackboard and you don't cut me. Thank you so much, first runner-up, for being with us here this evening. And first question is, please introduce yourself. So, Baban, you thought. Ya, Jepang jong pi kendiat pengutip.
Mga thanks pandi falaling kois. Di ngade winner jong Miss Long 2021. Di menta currently nganong sudah graduate ya ka BTech in Electronics and Communication. Di menta nganong le masters. Di nganong le shop coaching nang ta ka gate entrance exam. Di ya kani banga sedang nang kani ka nuksan ya kani ka pageant beauty pageant nang sedang syah chanai po nang puli. Di nang tu nga sedang wan ni Shillong ti nga sedang compete yang Miss Shillong. Di kata kadi ka story jong aku dengan sedang.
Hello, I am Trina Das. I am the first runners-up of Miss Shillong 2021. I am currently pursuing my biotechnology honours from St. Edmund's College. I have been born and bred in this place itself. And the reason why I am here today is because I've been inspired by many people, but my biggest inspiration has been Sushmita Sen. And it's not just because of her hard work, but it's also because of her determination, which makes me strongly believe in my dreams, because dreams can be powerful and I'm dreaming with my eyes wide open.
Khubor ngakreteng Ameda Giovanna Kindia, and presently I'm taking up my BCom in St. Edmund's College, where I'm trying to build an accounting career for myself. So in the future, this accounting course, which is called ACCA. So it's a competitive exam, and currently I'm prepare for this exam. And talking about beauty pageants, I've participated in Miss Cherry Blossom 2018 and 2021 as well, and I've won the title Miss Cherry Blossom 2021.
Thank you. I'm Paisha Miss Shillong 2021. Nadomano pila stang piong bandung sekanika nungsan paniko.
Nga sedang na 2019 na Chennai ka don kui ka beauty pageant ka called Phoenix Fashion Icon. Sedang siya nang tu na kato kani ka ba ngalet hang tu kam ngayo inspirational di hi bang ako ban better myself am ban pinbha ban tebet yel dia ting ong nang let stage. What can go wrong? Ti kata ken ka ba nga kadungadan jumut bangalet bangan kiu kini pageant ki yarap siya ka yang bangan kiu shikmat bangan ya shikmat ka improve hai ka communication skills and QA do. Ti kata.
Apa pi rung chakene ka transan jong kejing ko. Nakliang ka yung kasam jong pi ki ay mun siam ne mi.
Ningkong kam yathura inu ong try hidal dia. Hakmat ti ki ibang job ki ingale bha ti ki war kha ki am sim lo na yam
haba phi simanda hakni ka Miss Shillong 2021 hakano ko benta ko kiso don confident ko phin rai ka title
ka pangalit compete Miss Shillong ko way nga should up the jinkman mangalayo top 5 do pangalit itu ru sudan ka jinkman ba okay I'm here Kemen palad bang akendu bar khoi kibrio en ngayo ke experience ru ka best ha te na katuhi kaliang aslong ba pangal into ka jingmut jing pha jong long ba take this experience am ban fin tibet yel dia ngam kam mudra ban compete ru kata sa ban don sha bang hab job reng aslong ba shim da kemen sim jing kemen ban lech kmat ban lech compete kata ka de ka pa mut ma
kemut ba phi tang ba bayo chimenta
tang chimenta kum shong be a better version of yourself kum ta
the Miss second first when are you start to enter into this line
my first beauty pageant was in 2019,
and I participated in Miss Meghalaya, and I was in the top 10. So that was my first pageant from where I actually started getting confidence and thought that this is a place where I should be once.
Question. So dulu ngarangrit here, I was very into modeling and beauty pageants, and having a very supportive family and a good height. My family was always telling me, encouraging me to take up beauty pageants and fashion show events and modeling. Khubor.
Haba phi rung haka Miss Shillong 2021 kumno phi kendo experience of bat ki nangyalam ani ki dekat jongka fashion Shillong
Fashion society. So I realized the fashion society ki dedicate ha ben promote iki young girls when they give them a platform but can express themselves, and like the way they carried out the entire fashion show, the entire Miss Shillong, it was really well done. Like each and every level keep it bha, and they chose very deserved ki contestant but deserved haban Porsche top 5.
What is your experience with the fashion Shillong society?
If there's a word that I can use to describe my experience, it has been amazing. This is not just an organization, it has become more than a family. Even today, like when I meet my co-contestants and Sir Aldous and everybody else, it feels like I have known them from ages, and it actually helps me to gives me a confidence and helps me to see myself in a better place someday.
Miss Shillong.
The experience. Experience jonga but ba Miss Shillong kadi ka ba bas ha ba ngayo kendo bar kumbo ang tuhi na ba amidang ipoi kendo bar khoi ki ko contestant jingi ki ai sim lang wei nya rab lang imdan ra menu balong very balong bynta ni fi ben tan spo bar khoi ki long very encouraging, even sir everyone hum to ba organize ka Miss Shillong bar khoi ki ai sim la jingi ban le ba ban ka bet ye
Kai ke thong jong phinan ni pat chman haka ni ke jo ka
kad ba pli kalat klenti tinga kloi ban ya chukman katai ka thong ka mentang kam pak khat thandra dei kad ba pli kalat don't any competition, anything, I'm ready ban participate ban le ba.
What is your aim in life?
Firstly, after winning this pageant, then I'll love to participate in many pageants and rather win it. And also have to make sure that while doing this simultaneously, I have to balance my academics as well as my studies and my career.
I have to say, Mansa, all the opportunities were play done, beauty pageants, fashion show events, I'm gonna go for it.
Kai ka message ang picture ki paras samla kan thei.
Ka message jonga ki samla kan thei dei ka dakli kanu kalat klenti ban lejbet ban shimbet kata kakabu ka ba fiyo dan bet ka men si mbashler mjidai ra ban randian mjidai ra ban tiang kata di message ki samla kan thei.
What about you? What is your message to the young?
Okay. My message to the young aspiring models is that if they can believe in themselves, they can believe in their dreams, then this is a platform where they belong, and to take up all the opportunities in life, and always remember that dreams can only be true if you can dream with your eyes wide open, and you are not the person who you want to be, but who you actually are.
So my message to all the youngsters out there is that if you have an aim in life, you can absolutely achieve it if you have the right motivation, the right drive, and the right determination, and go for it, because it all starts in the mind. Thank you.
Idan kijing tung ban shi bynta ha ke kan san ha indai tang ha ka jylla ha Northeast indai wa ka national level.
Idan kijing tung ban Miss India, Miss Northeast gitu.
Do you have any aim to participate in other
Surely. See, it has been a dream to participate in Miss Shillong itself, so now I want to participate in many pageants like Miss Northeast, Miss India. So if I get the opportunity, I'm going to take it.
I feel we all have the capability to reach as high as Miss Universe, so why not?
Exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bakumi founder chairman but belong to Khadom Tala like Ndai Snap yang fashion Shillong society. Ke kijing syam jong pi ha ko panyai ya ke FSS but kam tam ha panyai ki show lalai kena tulis nah.
Boleh shibun Mbak Maya te ngia sedang berkiperlok live kondai senam mencah ngia kenduk bagi ong ba kibun gi kena jungi senang pentai ki badan dor bendar badan kerenyang renyot ki badan kaman ke personality te belingim sedang kini ki rensan banyak tunjuk jing nak kai mano ba la tam hak title Miss Shillong ni sedang hu sejak dah sepak propulai hai tu por gila hi komi barat hi bor barat tingin pui berkat bukan he dekat ni hai tu por ming sedang ke budget jungi kadang lai hajar tengka bak decorate stage bak ai prize money kat san spa si hajar bat san spa ke prize money timanta hakini ki kendak senam lala te because of covid ngim layo ban resan nek la poi ki por ba de ki senam ngi abe silak nyupsan pasan pewajar ti bat ki subtitles ru ti kini ki kena ki yo ban simenta sagoi par kan sam kham halor kata di Miss North East ti bat kidan ba le Miss India ru ti kidan ki bla full time modeling ru ne kawai ka ba yarap yaki kalong ba ndala groom yaki mtu shibnai tam ban eye training ki kena ki bela rain tam ru ki slur but kinda late ban wat kam ban face kini ki interview board ke ki phai biang sedien ki ong bagadi ka tu ka sansan Michelong baka eye fan society ka ba slur ngi kumno ban yat kumno ban kren kumno ban riam kumno ban le makeup te kumta but overall nga try ngi la pen mi bon ma ki sap namar hapeng ki bagi khot ki full items ngi dan sekini ki nong rai nong shot nata ki balik makeup ki bade kari ka stage ki balik ka lights ka sound ki tu baro kadai ka ko balang pun jana syuk ki kam ki bakila te nga sotonat bahadu mentang ngi dan kan ka society ka ba ki member betre shit rem ha bat kata kadai ka jingia alti jungi
ni soto hak basdang ki ong ba ki ke budget jong ki kadai tanglai hajar tengka ni kadang ya ki por ki tangla ban pen he ya ke price money bat di we ki jing siwi ki beshi mentaro kumno ki yo ka support na kaliang ka sarkar halor kenika
ka sarkar ka irap ba ki irap very regularly ki dan suki sponsor ki well wishers ki ba kwa ban karsya ni ki tur ki a jing irap teng ki ada pisar teng ki ada ki prizes dan ki ada ki jan teng ka way ka round baro ki gong sponsor we di way brio dan company ti hakata ka rukom mereka jingjia day bagi paralog bagi company bagi government kalau absolutely amazing kabyang ha
nolot ke beauty pageant ni bagi week activities so ki penlong ke ki ba kham kongsan ba ki la penlong ba ki like
hadin beauty pageant ki pelong kini ki rock show ki musical concerts ni pelong ki don ki title kini ka winter queen ka beach queen ki titles kita taruh te nang tu ngiju ai ru jingrap ski charity mana bangi khamyo ya ka naki show ngi yo ka jingmi te nang tangi penmi ka magazine ru bakitang ka tattoo kata kalau ambil la south edition but ka calendar ko di ka third edition ka balai matau senam ki ningkong ipeni ka fusion tribal fusion ka ba ar ka di ka dara or ka balai ka di ka jangkar sha ka ba phiru phila yo copy ngata ki bon ki la etep hi nama ki publicity ngai ai
banta ma phila shang thai le ne kam ke activities ki ba ki nang thmu le nang kwa ban pendep ki mix nem ban son
ning shangi kwa ba kini ki ba job kini ki brand ambassador nam ta kadun ga cause bu nam ta ki baduk lain ta ki orphans nam ta ki punsuat te nam ta ngala kami opon kwa ban lum ki perlok ngila stang hi again nama ka covid ngi me yo ni keduk kakak ta bangin persang batkan salong kam te bangin sedang gini ki social work banyarap iki bakam syam lanat social work tiba kini ki miss ki bajop ki no ki brand ambassador kin kren on behalf iki ka cause kini ka movement
hiong mentan brand ambassador lajudan nak ini ki bajop ki belong brand ambassador ki
lajudan haki kinjat senam dan ki badan ki long naman ta ka election commission ki degi bukit tin cm nam ta tu bat ki ru ki causes ki bang amla kan mau shoot tombalong omman ka por mag banlong brand ambassador don come lot of hard work pihak bantri sitom pihak ban wat kindet che ki like degi like don exam dah hab ande sejangai than na yeng ru ka syam sitom ta makin pelaj te komta kan tama menta tingin nyale atau kom bagan kamlong mu well organized kan bangala kam nyopor
Risiko ne ba ya gajing kolektor
tapi ba maya
gajing don jong phi kaman sem ko ban karsha ni ki samla jong ki thai gat salam kiu shkwan
Risibon
te katong ila poisha ka bekut jong ka thop khubor sachi sen pan khublai ye phi baro ta hadu begini sembiang khublai